Robots are the future.
Hi guys! Before integrating technology, one of the first questions we ask our clients is just how hands-on they want to be. Many clients want their staff to focus on serving customers and selling, but from time to time, technology fails, and our priority is uptime. So when preventative measures haven't worked, how do we get technology up and running with minimal disruption? Well, it's all about having a properly and thoroughly integrated network, one in which from a central location, things can be monitored and controlled. We have a multi-tiered approach to networking. These tiers are customer activity, for example, Wi-Fi networks, device networking for things like media players and screens, and the final tier, power. If you know the power status of the device and you can control it, it will solve most problems. This is the next level up from the tried and tested remedy of just rebooting your PC. This is about controlling power to the device. Of course, you can't connect to a device if it's not on, so by having control of the power, it's another layer of protection. We almost always spec in one of these guys. So here's me in our Sydney office, accessing and controlling the power at a site thousands of kilometers away. Like all our tech, we put it through the rigors. We ensure functionality is future-proofed, we ensure it's reliable, and most importantly, we ensure that it's the best value for our clients. For a couple of $100, this product gets payback real quick, saving time and money on expensive callouts. And hey guys, if you're after some advice, get in touch, we're here to help.